One essential tool to business is the Employer Identification Number, or EIN. Think of it as your business's social security number. The IRS uses it to identify businesses for tax purposes, but its usefulness extends far beyond taxes. An EIN is essential for various business activities. It helps separate personal and business finances. Without an EIN, your personal credit could be impacted. Imagine you're a small business owner looking to expand. You find the perfect property, but the lender requires an EIN. Without it, you could miss out on a valuable opportunity. Understanding and obtaining an EIN is vital for your business growth. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve deeper into how to obtain an EIN and build a strong business credit history. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to navigate the world of obtaining property with confidence. Getting an EIN is a straightforward process, thankfully. The IRS has made it easier than ever to apply online through their website. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary information handy, including your business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, etc., and your Social Security number or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. Once you've gathered your information, visit the IRS website and navigate to the EIN application page. The application itself is user-friendly, guiding you through each step. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business, such as its name, address, and purpose. Be sure to double-check all information before submitting your application to avoid any delays. The best part? Once you've submitted your application, you'll receive your EIN immediately. That's right, no waiting for weeks or months. You can download and print your EIN confirmation letter right away, allowing you to start using it for business purposes. Remember, obtaining an EIN is free. The IRS does not charge a fee for this service. Be wary of any websites or individuals offering to obtain an EIN for a fee. Stick to the official IRS website to ensure a secure and legitimate process. Now that you have your EIN, let's explore how it can be your key to unlocking the world of real estate investment. When you purchase property under your EIN, you're essentially doing so as a business entity, separate from your personal finances. This separation is crucial for protecting your personal assets. Imagine you purchase a rental property under your own name. If a tenant were to sue you, your personal assets, such as your home and savings, could be at risk. However, if you purchase the property under your EIN, your liability is limited to the assets held by your business. This separation provides a vital layer of protection for your personal finances. Furthermore, using an EIN for real estate transactions can make it easier to secure financing. Lenders often view businesses as more credible borrowers than individuals, making them more likely to approve loans and offer favorable terms. This is especially true if you've built a strong business credit history, which we'll discuss in the next section. Beyond liability protection and easier financing, using your EIN for real estate purchases can also simplify your tax filing process. By separating your personal and business finances, you'll have a clearer picture of your business income and expenses, making it easier to track deductions and file your taxes accurately. Just like your personal credit score, building a strong business credit history is crucial for securing favorable financing and establishing your business's financial credibility. Fortunately, your EIN is the key to unlocking the world of business credit. Start by opening a business bank account using your EIN. This separates your business transactions from your personal finances and allows you to start building a financial track record for your business. Once you have a business bank account, consider obtaining a business credit card. Use it responsibly by making timely payments and keeping your credit utilization low. Another effective way to build business credit is to establish credit lines with vendors and suppliers. When you pay your invoices on time, these vendors may report your positive payment history to business credit bureaus. Over time, these positive reports contribute to a strong business credit score. Remember, building business credit takes time and effort. It's not something that happens overnight. Be patient, consistent, and responsible with your business finances. As your business credit score grows, you'll unlock better financing options, lower interest rates, and increased financial credibility for your business. Use your EIN to purchase property such as a home or even a car through your business entity. Submit offers and agreements in your business's name. Provide your EIN as proof of legitimacy. Secure financing using your business credit history. Work with a title company to close the deal. Sign as the authorized representative. Congratulations on your new property. Buying property under your EIN offers numerous advantages, making it a strategic move for savvy investors. Let's recap some of the key benefits we've covered. Liability protection. Separating your personal and business assets shields your personal finances from potential lawsuits or liabilities arising from your business activities. Enhanced credibility. Using an EIN establishes your business as a legitimate entity in the eyes of lenders, sellers, and other business associates. Easier financing. Lenders often view businesses as more creditworthy than individuals, potentially leading to better loan terms and higher borrowing limits. Tax advantages. Owning property under your business entity may open doors to various tax deductions and benefits, potentially reducing your overall tax burden. Building business credit. Every transaction conducted under your EIN contributes to building a robust business credit history, paving the way for future growth and financial opportunities. By leveraging the power of your EIN, you're not just buying property, you're building a solid foundation for your business's future, protecting your personal assets, and unlocking a world of financial opportunities. Take the next step. As we've explored throughout this guide, obtaining and utilizing your EIN is a crucial step toward unlocking the potential of investments. By understanding the benefits, navigating the process, and building a strong business credit history, you're empowering yourself to make informed decisions and secure your financial future. Remember, knowledge is power. Continue to educate yourself about property investing, seek guidance from experienced professionals, and never hesitate to ask questions. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of such property and achieve your investment goals. Take the first step today. Obtain your EIN, start building your business credit, and explore the exciting world of real estate investment. With dedication, persistence, and the right knowledge, you can turn your real estate dreams into a tangible reality. Share this with a friend that you know who wants to start a business. Like and subscribe for more tips on taking the next steps in business. And grab your free guide to the 7 steps to product launch. It's free. Link in the description.